Today, we're driving more than half the ring road, 700 kilometers back to the airport, exploring epic North Iceland as we go. We'll see Europe's biggest waterfall, Iceland's second city, and provide some tips for a smooth departure. We're sad to leave Flora Cottage, but glad to get out before the monster storm tomorrow. We are packing up. We as an Adam is packing up. So we have about a 10-hour drive, minus any fosses. We're definitely stopping at Dettifoss. We're gonna get some vegan hot dogs. I can feel it. Hopefully they're open. It's a beautiful day out today. Tomorrow is gonna be a terrible storm. So I'm glad we're getting out while we can. But all in all, this place was absolutely perfect for us. And we hope to come back in this really neat Airbnb in this wonderful area, not touristy, not overly crowded. And so there's 2 trails on our property, and then we walked last night to the forest next door. That was really cool. All right, we're gonna hit the road. We have a long drive to Reykjavik. I'd come back here for sure. 10 hours from now, we will not be in Reykjavik. 14 hours, we'll likely be in Reykjavik.
8:36 and we're pulling out, heading to the airport. So Heather did a lot of important research for this part of the journey. She mapped out vegan hot dogs, possibly from a food stand if they're open.
Bye-bye, East Iceland. East Iceland is amazing. Waterfalls and mountains, and the weather's supposed to be a little bit nicer than the rest of Iceland. So hopefully we'll come back. We still have things we didn't do. Really, very special place.
Who says traveling with us isn't fun? We're a lot of fun.
We're so much fun. We're the most fun ever.
We're now going further on the ring road than we've ever been. And we are heading to Dettifoss, most powerful waterfall in Iceland and possibly all of Europe and possibly the world.
The world! Look at this weather. Might be the nicest day we've had.
Back up in the high country, it is super windy, surrounded by snow and waterfalls. We're up at 1,600 feet and going back down to sea level before lunch, so the car's getting a workout. We are here at Dettifoss, Iceland's most powerful and largest waterfall, maybe not the tallest. It is windy as can be. We are about 20 kilometers off the main road. This is our detour for today before lunch.
It's only a short walk from the parking lot, but was tricky for us because of all the ice and snow, even in early June. It's a minimum 2-hour detour from the ring road, but it's well worth it. Just so weird.
We're heading north. Gonna get some vegan hot dogs.
Vegan hot dogs!
We're heading into Akureyri and stuff for some hot dogs and bakery and coffee. This might be our last city until Reykjavik. It's Iceland's second city.
Oh wow, they put nuts on it.
Yeah.
I got the one with the cabbage.
This was pretty fantastic.
I know. I mean, we got 3 vegan hot dogs, we got baked goods, we had coffee. I mean, what more could you want?
I mean, I would like a little more puffin mask time, but...
Wait, the puffin is eating the hot dog. We're gonna touch down. It's gonna be 90 degrees in Tampa. And it's so cold right now. I'm shaking in my bones.
Well, that's it for civilization. We've now seen Iceland's second largest city. 400 kilometers to Reykjavik. It's snowing, Heather. We're going to Florida tomorrow, and it's snowing here.
It's gonna be 90 degrees. And they're gonna have a blizzard this week. We're taking a pit stop, and it just started hailing. We are chasing rainbows.
These people are passing, going around corners, flying down hills in wind and rain.
It was 9 p.m. and we decided to stop for pizza. Ooh, it's cold, man. Fish pizza?
Is there fish? Is there fish?
No fish!
Woo! Let's eat. Oh, good. That's really good. We're getting out hopefully before this summer storm. Google Map is not going to stand. We're going down, down, down. Oh my god, my ears are going. This underwater tunnel is terrifying. And I'm kind of glad it's not a bridge because it's so windy. It's so cold. We are approaching Reykjavik.
We arrived at the hotel after midnight because we took a detour due to the erupting volcano. The best views were from the highway since all the other roads were blocked off. Iceland's international airport is about an hour outside of Reykjavik, and we had an early flight, so we stayed at the airport hotel. This was super convenient. We were able to return our rental car the night before and grab a luggage cart, saving us precious time in the morning so we could get some sleep. The hotel, airport, and rental car return are all within a 5-minute walk.
I don't even know what we have. We didn't use most of it.
No, what is even in all that stuff?
Well,
Mostly bread. One is bread. Let's just stop.
It's just the small one, though. So what's everything else? I wore one shirt.
Doesn't it feel like you're going to the airport with us right now? We're always going to use this airport hotel. And this was it. That was the entire walk. It's like under 5 minutes. Just got out of Iceland right before the big storm. Ground hold over and we've landed. We're going to get the bags and heading home.